In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick little opening of booster packs for Lorcana. We have a little bit of mix of both. We have our first chapter, and we also have some Rise of the Floodborn. It's going to be a pretty quick video. I've only got like about 11 packs here. Just got back from a tournament and got a couple packs just for entering the tournament. Didn't do too well this time as opposed to some of the other times, but you know, it just kind of goes that way. But yeah, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just get right into it. So we got some first chapter blisters, so I'm going to go ahead and start with that. And then I'm going to open these separate ones that I got from the tournament after. Still so far on record for only getting one enchanted. We're going to see if we can turn our luck around and get something new. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So, we have Magic Golden Flower, Scar, Timon, Dr. Facilier, Megara, Captain Hook, Maximus, Starkey, Fan the Flames, Maximus again, and the Queen, and we have a shiny Peter Pan. Very basic, just a common. But he does what he does. Alright, let's keep it going with some more first chapters. I'll take these over here. Need a trash pile. Alright. I'm really loving this game. What's really cool about it is every time I go to a tournament, I fight new decks. And there's only like so much variety with the 400 or so cards that are in the game so far, but everybody likes different playstyles, so I love that. It's always a different experience. So I got Tangle, Stitch, Archimedes, Stampede, Work Together, Tinkerbell, Scepter of Arendelle, Cinderella, Simba, Zeus, and Genie, and a shiny Aladdin. Alright, we're just collecting main character protagonists right now. Peter Pan and Aladdin. Let's see, the next one will be Mufasa, or Simba or something. I feel like they put so much work into the presentation of these packs. It's really cool. I think that these will actually be pretty cool collector's items one day. So I am trying to save some product for the future. Alright, we got Philatides, Minnie Mouse, Dinglehopper, Archimedes, Tinkerbell, Fire the Cannons, Olaf, The Beast is Mine, Grandma Tala, Moana, Cruella de Vil, and Maleficent. Just an uncommon. Or, I'm sorry, I think that's a rare. Yeah. Alright. Moving right along. Let's see. Goal is to at least get a legendary. I mean, we have 11 packs here, so I mean, I'd love to get an enchanted, but if I can get a legendary, at least one, then I feel like it's worth it. Alright, so we have Sudden Chill, Donald Duck, Goofy, Hakuna Matata, Magic Broom, Beast Mirror, Aurora, Goofy. Donald Duck. Alright. Maui. That's a great Maui. And Aladdin. Really good Aladdin. And well, shiny wardrobe. Alright. That is not a main character. I don't even remember what her name is. I don't think it's just the wardrobe. Let's switch it up a little. Let's go ahead and switch over to Rise of the Floodborn real quick. Just to keep things interesting. Oh, this one was really easy to open. Alright. Let's see what we got. So, we've got Improvise. Gorilla DeVille. Piglet. Winnie the Pooh. Minnie Mouse. Beast. Wow, I got 2 characters that are Mats. Mother Gothel. Mouse Armor. Bounce. Madam Mim. Prince Charming. I don't think I've seen this one. And Shiny Improvise. Alright. Bit of a slow start. Just 4 commons and 1 rare. So, nothing so exciting. Getting a lot of good staples, though. I like that we got Maui and Aladdin. Alright, going back to the first chapter. Yeah, every now and then I'll go to a Target, just because they do like restocks and whatnot. Just to get a few packs. Alright, Sudden Chill. Donald Duck. Goofy. Kuna Matata. Magic Room. Simba. Aurora. Goofy. Donald Duck. Okay, this is Deja Vu. Jasmine. And Mulan. And Shiny Sudden Chill. Alright. Okay, another common. Just getting shiny commons. Can we break the streak? Can we pull a legendary? Dare I say an enchanted? Folks, what do we got? So we got Genie, Aurora, Sergeant Tibbs, Stitch, Yzma, Beast's Mirror, Captain, Befuddle, Jasper, Hans. Ooh, we did get a legendary. Stitch, Carefree Surfer. I actually ran into this guy tonight. Someone misplayed when they were using it, but it's actually a pretty cool card. And, ooh, shiny Elsa. Alright. So, we have the Snow Queen. And let's go ahead and get Stitch, the Carefree Surfer, in a sleeve as well. Not a shiny, but he is a legendary. Okay. Let's finish off first chapter. Okay, here we go. We've got Duke of Wesselton, Maleficent, Aladdin, Minnie Mouse, Friends on the Other Side, Simba, Befuddle, Mother Knows Best, Coconut Basket, Plasma Blaster, and, oh, no, one more, the Queen, and Shiny Ariel. Alright. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. Alright, let's move that over there. Okay. Oh, the Duke of Wesselton. Everybody's favorite card. finish off the last blister, and then we'll go ahead and get our tournament packs open. Okay. Let's see what we got. We got the Knock, Snow White, Elsa, Lady Tremaine, Verana. I still don't know who that is. The Last Cannon, Queen of Hearts, the Prince, Pain. Ooh, Sleepy's Flute. That's a good card. Put that to the side. Dinner Bell. Whoa! Nice! Okay, we've got a shiny Scar, Vicious Cheater. That's awesome. A shiny legendary is always a welcome sight. That's awesome. I do run one of these in my deck, just as a one of, so it's cool to have a shiny of him. All right. That's a pretty nice blister right there. I got Sleepy's Flute and a shiny legendary. Go ahead and sleeve this up too. Everybody's using this thing right now. All right, 2 packs left. I want to save the first chapter because I like the first chapter more than the Rise of the Floodborn. That's just me. All right, what do I want in Rise of the Floodborn? I don't even know. We'll see. I want Enchanted. That's what I want. All right, so we got Happy. I'm Stuck. Tigger. Donald Duck. Wow, I'm noticing a lot of Winnie the Pooh characters. Owl. Donald Duck. Merlin. Nice, that's always useful. I'm gonna put him to the side. Doc. Judy Hopps. Flynn Rider. That's the good Flynn Rider too. Alright, and... oh wow, Pinocchio too. Dang, this is a really good pack. And... Hold Still. Alright. Not too exciting on the shiny, but some really good commons in there. Everyone likes Pinocchio, Flynn Rider, and Merlin. Those are all very useful commons. Alright. Last one. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. Just a casual pack opening. I think every now and then I'm just going to have a casual pack opening. Try to make it like maybe a weekly or semi-weekly, bi-weekly sort of thing. So, see how that goes. Alright, so we've got Jetsam, the Genie, Develop Your Brain, Scar, Healing Glow, Prince Eric, Mother Knows Best, Coconut Basket, Ariel, White Rabbit's Pocket Watch, and I always do this, one more. Captain Hook, and come on. Ooh, another Scar, but I haven't seen this one. Scar Mastermind. When you play this character, chosen opposing character gets -5. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, not an Enchanted. So we live to fight another day. So let's go ahead and take a look at our haul real quick. So we've got the Scar we just pulled, Be Still, Sleepy's Flute, the shiny Scar, Ariel, Stitch, Elsa, Sudden Chill, Improvise, Maleficent, Wardrobe, Aladdin, and Peter Pan, and Sleepy's Flute. Yeah, that's a pretty good haul for 11 packs. 2 of them legendaries, one of them a shiny one. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with that. That's pretty dang good. All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. More Lorcana and Yu-Gi-Oh on the way, so let me know if you guys do enjoy watching my pack openings. Be sure to leave a like, and I will catch you guys all soon. All right, you have a great rest of your day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.